In a world of fierce competition, 10 mighty cricket teams battled every year for one ultimate prize, the glorious IPL trophy. CSK, MI, SRH, KKR, GT, RR, DC, PBKS, LSG, and among them, stood a team that carried a dream larger than life, Royal Challengers Bangalore. RCB, a team with legendary players, loyal fans, and unmatched passion. Their jersey was red, but their spirit burned brighter than fire. Year after year, they played with heart. But there was one thing they didn't have, the trophy. For 17 long years, RCB tried. They came close. They thrilled the crowd. They broke records. But they also broke hearts. Each season ended in heartbreak. Fans cried. Critics laughed. Memes flooded the internet. CSK had Dhoni. MI had Rohit. KKR had their fairy tale runs. GT became champions in just their debut season. RR, the first winners, reminded the world of underdog magic. But RCB? They had the love of millions, yet no title. Some fans gave up. Some switched sides. Some mocked them as chokers. But the true fans, the real ones, stayed. They wore their RCB jerseys with pride. They said, "Salakap Namda," year after year. They waited. They believed. The team didn't back down. They trained harder. They worked on their weaknesses. They trusted the process. Each season, they learned. Each loss, they grew stronger. Virat Kohli, the face of RCB, carried the team with pride. AB de Villiers became a symbol of hope. And many others gave their blood and sweat. Then came the 18th season. The air was different. The energy was electric. The team wasn't just playing matches, they were writing history. Every match was a war. Every victory, a statement. They faced tough teams. CSK gave them a fight. MI pushed them to the edge. GT, the defending champs, were fierce. But RCB stood tall. They didn't panic. They didn't fear. Because this time, they were ready. In the final match, the stadium roared. Pressure was at its peak. The match went down to the wire. The world held its breath. And then, they did it. RCB lifted the trophy. After 17 years of pain, hope finally won. Tears rolled down. But this time, they were tears of joy. The fans cheered, cried, danced. Bangalore lit up like never before. It wasn't just a win, it was a revolution. That moment wasn't just for a cricket team. It was for every person who kept going, even when the world said, "You can't." It was for every dreamer who failed, again and again, but never gave up. Moral of the story? Never stop believing. No matter how long it takes, your time will come. Keep showing up. Keep working hard. Because sometimes, a delay isn't a denial, it's preparation. RCB didn't lose for 17 years. They were just getting ready to win. Jai RRCCCCBBB, Salakap Namda.